Welcome to WEBDOGG. My name is Jay, and I'll be giving you a demo/tour of our breeder websites. First, you have to make sure you download Google Chrome for your Mac or your PC. At the moment, you won't be able to update your breeder website using a mobile device like a smartphone or tablet. Hopefully that will change in the future. But for now, you can only do this using your desktop or your laptop. So make sure you download and install Google Chrome. Once it's installed, open Google Chrome and go to your website domain. At the end of your website domain, you want to enter / and the word login. So that's how you'll be able to log into your website. Enter your username and password and select or click login. You'll be directed to your dashboard homepage, and here is your quick start guide. So it's a collection of some of the videos that we have. These are just the basic ones to help you get started. We have two options. You can either watch the video with audio and caption, or you can actually read the article, and it also contains the video at top, but then you can just read through the tutorial, whichever is easier for you. Also, if you get stuck, we do have the option of creating a support ticket by clicking the first red icon, and that takes you directly to our support portal. Well, you have to register one time, create your account to be able to submit support tickets and also to keep track of them. And we're pretty good at replying back, so make sure you create a support ticket and we'll get back to you within 24 hours or less. You can also reach us out on Facebook, or to see more advanced videos, click the video icon. And this is where we'll have more of our video tutorials in our support portal. Okay, so let's get started with the first video. The first video is step 1, get to know your dashboard. So this is where you can locate your dog posts, your pages, your menu, and user profile. So on the left-hand side, you'll notice the dashboard tab takes you to the home page of your dashboard. That's where we are currently. The posts tab contains all your dog posts from your males, females, puppies, breedings. The media tab is a library of all your images. The pages tab contains all the existing pages on your website. The appearance tab is where you can locate your menu. So here are the menu items, which is all the pages that you've created. And here's the menu structure. So here's where you can add the menu items so it can reflect on your main menu of your website. Let me show you what I mean. So this is your main menu, and that's linked to this. Now let's go to the users tab, which is your profile. You really won't have to access this much or make any changes on it unless you want to change your email or your password. You would have to hit the update profile if you make any changes. So let's go back to our dashboard home page. After video number 1, you go to step number 2, which is get to know your page builder. The page builder we're using is Elementor, which is one of the best page builders for WordPress. So let me give you just a brief overview of this page builder. So this is Elementor page builder, and you can see there's 2 panels. There's one on the left, which is the widget panel, and these are a collection of creative tools that are called widgets that you can use to add to your page. On the right hand side is the editing area, where you can add and edit all these elements to form the layout of your page. And it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just click and drag, and you can just edit the text there. you click on the widgets icon, which is this little icon with all these squares. Search for a widget you like. You click and you drag. And you can rearrange them as well. But we'll get into more details in a bit. So let's click update. And now let's head back to our dashboard. Oh, the way to do that is by clicking this little icon, gear icon settings. I'm sorry, that's not it. Top left, sorry. And click exit to dashboard. Dashboard, home page. So now we'll go to step number 3, which is how to post dogs. So use posts to add your dogs to specific categories. How do we do that? So let's go to the posts tab where we have all of our dogs, and let's add a new dog. You can click add new here or add new at the top. Enter or add a title. So this is where the name of your dog will go. For this example, we'll use Chico. Now we have to assign it to a specific category. So this category is called males. So on the right hand side, you'll notice the categories tab. If it's not open, make sure you click on it to open it and then select males. The next step would be to add a featured image. So under the featured image tab, make sure you set featured image. You can either select from one of your existing images on your media library, or you can upload files, and then you can drop files here or select from your computer. In this example, we'll just use one from our library. Select. Okay, so we got the title, the categories, and the featured image. Let's click edit with Elementor because I want to add more content to it. I want to add more pictures. I want to add a description. So this is how we do it. So now we're back to our Elementor page builder. So remember, on the left-hand side, we got the widgets. I want to add 2 columns to this page. So there's one by default, which is 2 columns, inner section. You can do it that way. But let me delete this section. This is how you delete. You click the X. Another option to do 2 columns, click the plus sign here, add new section. And you can do 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, or more. So let's click 2 columns. Okay, so here we have 2 columns. On this column, the left-hand column, let's go back to my widgets. I want to add some text. So click and drag the text editor. And let's highlight that. I want to add name. It's Chico, DNA, AABBCC. It is one of my males, so I would like to add a stud fee. And maybe a description. Chico is ready to stud. On the right column, I want to add some more pictures of Chico. So let's go back to our widget icon to see all of our widgets. And let's search for a widget. Let's do image. We got all our image widgets, image carousel. Click and drag that one and drop it in there. So on the left-hand side, let's add images to that widget here. And just for this example, we're just gonna click on all these random images, but we'll pretend they're all of Chico. Create new gallery at the bottom. So here you can rearrange them, add a caption if you want. Insert gallery. Okay, notice that by default, you get 3 images in one slide. But in this case, I want to do, first I want to change the image size to medium, 300 by 300, a little bit bigger. Slides per show, I want to do 1. And then I want to do image stretch, no. Arrows and dots, yes. Link, let's do media file. So what this does is when someone clicks on the image, it enlarges, and then they can use it as a slideshow. So everything looks good to me. All right, let's click publish. And let's have a look. Your page is live. Have a look. Click on that. So there we have Chico. He's in the males category. That's his name. We got the description. We got the image slideshow. So now this Chico should be in on our males page. So let's click on the males. And there he is with his featured image. The excerpt on his description. And your visitor will click on the link or on the image or read more. And they'll have access to Chico, all his information. You can even add the pedigree, images, all that. So that's how you post to your males, females, puppies. It's the same method. Just make sure you select the correct category. So now let's go back to our dashboard. How do we go to our dashboard from here, from the page builder? Top left corner is that little menu icon that looks like a hamburger. Click on that and then click exit to dashboard. So let's go back to our dashboard home page. So we already did step number 3. Now let's do step number 4, featured image. So this is learn how to update and change the featured image of your posts. So we just added Chico, right? So let's say I want to change his picture. How do I do that? Let's go to posts. Remember, post is the collection of all of our dogs. And when you hover over each post, it generates links. So for Chico, we want to edit this again, but edit with Elementor. So make sure you always do that, edit with Elementor. And you can't make the change here. So you have to go bottom left corner, settings. And there's this featured image. Choose image. You can upload a new one or select from your media library. We'll just use one of these. Let's use this guy right here. Insert media. And you make sure you always update when you make a change. Update, this little preview icon. Click on that. All right, that's his new featured image. Let's double check. So let's go back to the males page and let's see Chico. Now we got the new featured image. I like that. Perfect. Okay. So let's go back to our dashboard home page. So we were here on Chico using the page builder. Let's go back. Top left, menu icon, exit to dashboard. Dashboard homepage. All right, so the next video is step number 5 is add a new page. So you might be interested in adding a new page like reviews from your customers, maybe payment information or a health guarantee. So how do we add a new page? So let's go to the Pages tab, which is right here. Click on Pages. Remember, these are a collection of all your existing pages, but we want to add a brand new one. So click Add New here or here. Either of them work. Under the title, for this example, we'll use Payment Information. Now, when you create a page, you don't need to add a category or a featured image. All you need to worry about is adding a title. After you add this title, click Edit with Elementor. All right, so this is my payment information page. I want to add the text editor, add a description, and you can make any changes to it here or on the left-hand side. And on the widget panel, you can even style it. For example, if you click on style, you can do center alignment. You can change the text color. You can change the font style. So many options you can choose from when you use this page builder. So go back to content here. So everything looks good. Okay, I like that. Let's click on the widget icon. And I want to add an image. Let's use this image here. Click and drag. Choose image. I like this one. The puppies. So everything looks good to me. All right, so let's click publish. And let's have a look. All right, so the page is live. But notice that this new page, payment information, is not on your main menu. How do we do that? So that's on the next video on your dashboard. So let's go back to your dashboard. Remember, when you're on your page builder, the way to go back to your dashboard is top left corner. You click the icon, and then you exit to dashboard. Hit the dashboard tab, hit home, and then you're back. So here's video number 6. So once you create a new page, make sure you add it to your website main menu. So let's go to the appearance. This is where your menu is. Appearance. And then on the left-hand side, you have the menu items. So this is a collection of all the pages that you want. I mean, that exist, that you've created. But they're not live or they're not on your menu until you add them here. So the payment information was the most recent. Let's click on that. Payment information, add to menu. And you can easily just click and drag. So we want payment information right next to puppies, in between puppies and gallery. So once we do that change, always save menu. So let's take a look. Let's go to demo, view, visit website. Let's see. All right. So payment information is right there. Perfect. Let's click on that. Nice. So it looks good. But let's say you wanted to add payment information as a drop-down menu under puppies. How difficult is that? It's actually pretty simple. If you click payment information, all you got to do is just click and drag just a little bit to the right where it snaps into place. So it'll be a drop-down menu under puppies. Save menu. Let's go back and let's refresh. Puppies. There you go. Yeah. Payment information is it's like a drop-down menu now. All right, so let's go back to our dashboard home page. And the gallery, here we go. So we want to use the gallery widget to showcase your favorite images on your gallery page or any page or post. So let's go to our pages again. And we've already created this gallery page. So what do? You find the gallery page and you always select edit with Elementor. So we've created a gallery already. Let's delete that. So let's do a new one. Let's do search for a gallery. So there we go, image gallery. Click and drag, and just drop it in there. And let's add our images. You can upload new ones or select from your media. For this example, we'll just use the ones we already have. Create a new gallery. You can rearrange the order if you want. insert into gallery, or insert gallery, and then we'll do image size. Let's do 300 by 300. Let's just do 3 columns or 2. All right, we click Lightbox, link media file. Yeah, we want to keep it a media file. Update. And let's preview the changes. All right, so we have our gallery. So hopefully this gives you a good idea of how our breeder websites work. There's more advanced features that we couldn't show you in this video, but hopefully this gives you a good idea. If you have any questions about this, if you need support, please do contact us via our website or Facebook, but we're always happy to help. Thank you so much for your time.